In this class, you are going to be adding to your Wix website that you created in ECD 101. You might have already contributed to this site in a couple of your other ECD courses. In STEAM, you are going to be adding your journal assignments to your Wix website, and I'll show you where you're going to do that. So I came to my Wix page, and I'm going to click on the site that I want to edit. And I'm going to click Site Actions and then Edit Site. The website that you created in ECD 101 has a home page and an ECD resources page. Now we're going to be adding another page under ECD resources called STEAM Resources. Okay, so here's our STEAM resources under our ECD resources page, and I've added some content that you will be adding in this class to your website. What you'll be adding to this space is your journal reviews. So for each academic content area, so for each unit in this course, you're going to be reviewing an article and submitting that in Canvas. Now what I want you to do is take that article review and add it here to this page. So you'll be adding more text than I have right here, but that's okay, you can move things around. So let's get to editing this page. So what I'm going to do is I've added some text boxes. So you'll see here that I've got a little introduction about STEAM and early childhood education, and then I've got a box for each of our academic content areas in STEAM. So I've got science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And you can move these text boxes around, and by to add a text box, I'm just going to add text, and then I'm going to add a paragraph. And this gives me a text box. Then I'm going to show you how I added this Miro board here. You are also going to add, as part of your final, you're going to add your STEAM curriculum and an explanation of your STEAM curriculum and your Miro board. So the way I did that is I went to this plus button, and let me put my cursor over here. So I went to this plus button and I added an embed, and I'm going to use a embed widget, and I'm going to enter the code, and let me get my Miro board up so that I can show you what that looks like. So here's my Miro board, and I'm going to click this share icon, and then I'm going to click embed, and I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to come back over here to my website, and I'm going to paste the code in here. Then I'm going to click update, and let me just get rid of this one because now I've got two. So here is my Miro board, and I'm just going to drag the corners so that makes it the size that I want it. And that's all there is to it, to embedding my Miro board. Now let's take a look up here. So I did a couple of things. What I want you to do is add your article review, but I also want you to add a link to the article. So I'm going to edit this text, and I'm going to show you how I added this hyperlink and changed the text color. So what I did was I highlighted the text that I want to link the article to. I clicked the chain link, and then I added in the URL to the article right in that box. I checked open in a new window. That way the article will open in a new window, and then click done. And then I can click this box, and then I'm gonna just click save just to make sure that my site is saved. And I'm gonna preview this to see what it looks like. So now when people come to my website, they can see my mural board. They can also have access to the articles that I've linked in here. And you see how it opens up in a new tab, and I can come back here. Here's my second article, and then I'll come back to this page. So you can be as creative as you'd like. Use your, be creative, design this page however you'd like. Again, you're going to have more text because you're going to put in a full review for each academic content area. You're submitting that in Canvas, and then you'll just copy and paste that text over here to this page. So be as creative as you'd like, design this page as you'd like, but these are the elements that I'd like to see in the on your STEAM resources page in your website.